Okay, Veda, are you ready to open Elmo and see what's inside? Okay, open it. Show Elmo. Let's see what's inside Elmo. Oh, cool. A My Little Pony surprise bag. Is that cool? Okay, Veda, are you ready to open it? Let's see. A My Little Pony Friendship Magic. Let's see. What's in here? Ooh. Here's that. What else is in here? Ooh. Very cool. Princess Twilight Sparkle. Let's see Elmo. Let's see what's next in Elmo. Are you ready to open him? Let me see. Let me see Elmo. Okay, let's see what else is in Elmo. Another My Little Pony. Let's open it. Are you ready? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Looky there. A rarity. Very cool. Alright, let's see what's next in Elmo. Let's see. What is it? Another My Little Pony. Are you ready to open?
Yeah.
Let's open it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Now let me see, let me see. Apple split. That is so cool. Very. Okay, Veda, let's see what else is in Elmo. Can I see? Let's open Elmo. Oh my gosh. Another My Little Pony. Are you ready to open? Okay. Let's see. Who is it? Who did we get? Oh my gosh. Uncle Orange. Very cool. Here you go, Veda. Okay, let's see what else is in Elmo. Let's see. Oh boy. Elmo has another My Little Pony. Are you ready to open? Okay, let's see. Oh boy, who did we get? Golden Grape. Oh wow! He's like orange and sparkly. Very cool. Golden Grape. Very cool, Veda. Okay, last one. Let's see what's in Elmo. Let me see. Very cool. Another My Little Pony. Let's open him. Let's open. Let's see. Oh, wow. Lavender Fritter. Look how cool that one looks. Very cool. Alright, so here is what we got out of 6 blind bags from My Little Pony. So we got Love Struck. He is pretty see-through and sparkly. Really cool. Shows playing sports. Then we got Golden Grape. This one is orange, see-through. He loves telling jokes. This one is Lavender Fritter. She loves